So Ed, today we're making a dish that has thousands of different recipes. We've made it before for you, and you've ate it, you just didn't realize what it is. Guess what it is. Welcome to Real Easy Cooking with Robert. I'm Robert.
Ed.
And today we are making chicken cacciatore. Chicken cacciatore. Can you say that?
Chicken cacciatore.
Very good. So the basic of this recipe is chicken slow cooked in sauce. The sauce will be a tomato sauce with also some oil and some vinegar. Okay, so it's a great dish to make in the crock pot. So it's one of those set it and forget it type dishes.
Set it and forget it.
Yeah, I like that because that way you can go out and do other things and not spend the day slaving away cooking. So first thing we want to do is get some of the sauce in there. You want to pour most of this in there?
How much?
Most all. Like that. About that much.
That looks like Minecraft lava.
Now I'm going to add...
It's the color.
Add about a tablespoon of oil. And that's olive oil. You want to use the extra virgin olive oil if you can, something with lots of flavor in it. Then we add some vinegar. You could use white vinegar if you were a savage. You could use apple cider vinegar, but it will make your dish more sweet. I like red wine vinegar. We use this often. I'm still disappointed that it's in a plastic bottle now. It used to be in a glass bottle with ridges. It was really cool. And you want to add about 4 tablespoons. That thins it down some and adds a little bit of a tart flavor.
Now it looks like wet Minecraft lava.
Add some basil. Alright, now you get to stir that. Gently stir it up. Mix it all up good. You mix pretty good enough.
That's how I mix.
Now, we put chicken in. Do you want to do this or shall I?
I want to.
Alright, take a piece. Use the tongs. Take a small one. Squeeze them tight. Yep. Squeeze it tight. And pick it up and drop it in. And you want to drop them in kind of in a row. Now for chicken, we're using boneless chicken today. You can use any type. My mom used to make this and she used chicken thighs because they're less expensive. I've made this before where I've gotten an entire sleeve of chicken from like Walmart and had to put them in vertical in here. And we had this for days. It works great that way. But you want to just kind of mush them around a little bit or take your spoon and spoon the extra over it. Wait till it's cooked. It's going to taste really good. And you just want to cover them all so that they're covered.
I love being
Do you want to cover it some? Spoon some of this from here up onto that other one. Yeah, all covered with sauce without splashing the sauce and stuff around.
Easy.
Yeah?
Like putting lava down in Minecraft.
You and your Minecraft. Guess what he's been playing a lot of lately?
Minecraft.
Okay. Now, we saved 3/4 of this for a reason. So we can go back through and dump that right on top of the chicken that was left. Now, we put another tablespoon or 2.
In there?
Yep. Reason being, we can put the lid back on. We need the extra moisture to cook this in here, and we need the extra vinegar flavor. And red wine vinegar goes real good with this and saves you the jar. Always save the jar and lid because it has many other purposes.
It smells so good.
Now we're going to put the lid on. This is a vented lid, so we can lock it down. Turn it on. Put it on for the first part. I like to do mine on high for the first hour. So if the whole thing heats up, then we put it down to medium heat and let it cook for 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours. But first has to be on high for the first half hour to an hour. And that's just to heat up all this ceramic dish and stuff. Otherwise it takes an hour just to heat up this unit. So this is what this be. And then we'll put it on some rigatoni noodles and serve it up and put cheese and some other stuff on it then. So look at the camera and say, we'll be back in 4 hours.
We'll be back in 4 hours.
Okay, Ed, it's been a few hours. The chicken is about done. I got a pot of water boiling, so it's time to do the noodles. For this dish, I like rigatoni noodles. See the shape? It's all about the shape of your noodles and how they hold sauce and the texture when they're cooked with the other meat or wherever else you have. Kind of neat.
Look kind of yummy.
They go in a pot of boiling water. You want to dump the bottom in? Dump them in? Dump the whole box in. So in the pot of boiling water, you add salt. Enough salt to make it as salty as the ocean. And you cook your noodles in salty water. And now we just let that boil for 5-10 minutes till they're soft. So the boring part of watching noodles slowly boil but not stick. So every now and then on these, you do have to gently stir them to keep them separated. That's the main trick on these type of noodles compared to like your spaghetti noodles or your angel hair. Okay, so the noodles are about done. So we're gonna turn off the heat. I'm gonna drain these real quick. You just drain them in a strainer. See how big they get? They almost take up the whole pot full of water.
Oh my God.
They expand a little bit. That's why you always have to have more room in your pot. And there's our noodles. Hot and steamy.
Yeah.
So I tend to just leave it in a strainer, put the strainer back over the pot because the water drips out of here, which it's still dripping. Will hit this hot pot, make some steam, and help keep your noodles fresh and warm. So let's scoop up some noodles. These ones are big enough. I think I'm going to use a spoon. That works better. Some noodles. We need some chicken. Yeah, big piece of chicken for the
Some lavaed up chicken.
Lavaed up chicken, since you think it looks like lava from Minecraft.
You mean lava?
I add some sauce.
Looks like lava now.
Okay, lava sauce we add.
A lot of lava sauce.
I do like sauce on my noodles. I like a little bit of sauce on every noodle. It doesn't have to coat it just enough, otherwise it gets sticky.
How does it get sticky?
Noodles, when they dry out, just out of the thing, they get a little sticky if they don't have some sauce on them.
I never
Now it's
knew
Wisconsin, so we put a little cheese on it because everything is better with a little bit of cheddar.
that. Everything's better with
And
a little bit of
basil on
cheddar.
top. Let me get a fork and stuff.
It looks delicious.
I need a beverage to go with my dinner. Tonight I'm drinking Devil's Cellar. Get you a fork. All right, I got you a littler fork. You don't even need a knife for the chicken. Look, it pulls right off with just a fork. There's a piece of chicken. Try some of that. A little bit of chicken. A little noodle.
Too hot for me yet.
It is steaming. It is good though. You have to trust me when it cools down a little bit, you're gonna like this. And it's good. It goes good with the wine that you can't have for another many years, 15 years.
Like a million.
Alright, this has been Real Easy Cooking with Robert, and we are
Done.
done.
That looks like Minecraft lava. Now it looks like wet Minecraft lava.
Chicken
Some
for the
lavaed
middle.
up chicken. Like putting lava down in Minecraft.
Guess what he's been playing a lot of lately?
Minecraft.